Hello, my dear friends. How are you all doing? I know in this pandemic situation things are really bad for many, and there's a lot of confusion and environmental worry going on, right? But still, I thought to make this video on one topic. Are you among those people who feel guilty for not preparing well, or not utilizing your time well, or some sort of a bad feeling when you think about your preparation or your level or effectiveness? So, are you among those people who feel this kind of nagging guilty feeling? Then I would like to share my experience with you. First, generally people will say, if you go and tell to a friend or to a family member saying that I'm feeling guilty, I didn't do as I planned, or the preparation didn't go as I wanted, so those things, then what common reply you will listen? You will generally listen saying that don't feel guilty, don't feel bad, start again, right? So, but in my situation, I too got the same kind of advices, of course, but still, it didn't help me out. It even made me feel more guilty that I was unable to do something well. Then, what I did, this thing, before I tell you a solution, what I did, I want you to analyze if the guilty concept among you is on these topics. First one, are you feeling guilty that you didn't study properly? Are you feeling guilty that you didn't make timetable properly? Are you feeling guilty that you didn't implement the plan that you wrote, or that you didn't complete the portion as you desired, or you didn't meet the speed of preparation, or you wasted your time in watching videos maybe of the exam postponement or exam dates, knowing about exam dates, or trying to watch several faculty videos but not able to decide which one is good for you, or trying to jump from one material to another material, or just trying to be somewhat lazy, trying to sleep and chill out, or are you feeling guilty, the last one, that you wanted to complete the subject first, you wanted to complete the entire syllabus in right manner, but you were unable to do, right? Are you among this category? Any of the question, it is spending time with friends, seeing, watching about the COVID news, or other than, please mind my dear friends, other than those students who have helped their family members for the fighting for the battle in COVID-19, apart from those students, rest all who are very in their home doing the preparation. So this is for them, the people or the students who have helped their relatives or helped themselves in the COVID thing. Please don't worry for the preparation as of now. You can do it well when you get recovered, but for this one, recover includes your emotional and physical health both. So this one is for those students who are in home and still feel not doing well. First, feeling this guilty will make you feel more guilty. What did I say? Feeling this guilty will make you feel even more guilty. And what you'll be going to do, I'll tell you, you will mark my words. It happened with me. We will first try to give ourselves a moral boost, saying that, come on, till now my time got wasted. So let me complete off at least these two papers. I'll focus on the rest thing. The two papers or one paper which you're focusing will be that one in which you are okay, which you are comfortable. So you come with a solution saying that, let me complete off this known papers, I'll feel good, then let me go to unknown. Then what will happen by the time? By the time you complete the known papers, half of your preparation time is completed, then the unknown papers which are not yet ready, not yet completely prepared, will still be a backlog. And that will again hamper your preparation, right? So, now let's come to the solution part. First, feel you're guilty. Fine, you felt guilty. Now, people will say, don't feel guilty if you try to start doing now. Yes, that's right. But feel you're guilty and try to understand what is making you feel guilty. Is the time wasted is the guilty part, or lack of preparation, lack of timetable, lack of proper guidance, or lack of decision to choose which subject, or fear of the hard subject? For me, DD and AMA were nightmare. I used to never touch that. Saying myself, do ISCA and IDT, let me complete that, and then go to AMA and DT. Again, I used to get only 1 month of preparation, toss. So, first try to understand what is making you guilty. Then write it on paper. Then try to find a solution for that. If watching YouTube is making you guilty, reduce the time. If hard paper, the paper which you are unable to crack, is making you feel guilty, give more time to it. First understand what is making you guilty, then go to the preparation. If family discussion is making you guilty, keep them aside for a while. So first understand your guilty part and then come to just possible solutions you have in your mind. Then choose the one which works for you. Bifurcate the preparation in that manner. Giving time to that part will making you guilty. That will help you to recover and be more productive. You will not feel that your time is getting wasted. Else, the entire day goes off. Starting from morning 8 to night 8, you won't feel as if even one chapter is moving. You feel tired and lazy. You will not get the motivation to study. So first understand what is making you guilty. Still we have time, and even institute said that they will inform us 25 days prior to keeping the exams. Right? So still you have time. So start, don't be the institute for yourself. They will take care of the dates. So don't make over analysis. Just keep a rough estimate, maybe June end or any date, or a June and a June between. Keep some rough analysis, make a plan accordingly, and then do it. Address the guilty part and keep on working on that. This will make you to crack the hard part of the exam. You will not fail because lack of knowledge. You will fail because you didn't know how to use that knowledge or how to link the concepts. Okay, so do like this and accordingly remove the guilty part and move. Hope this video has helped you, my friends. Do let me know if you have any other queries or what kind of things you're facing, so that I can give my inputs into your questions and make a video for that. So let me know. Kindly share this video. It will be very helpful to others, right? Kindly share this video and do let me know in the comment section how this information has been for you. Till then, happy studies. Take care.